In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to use the Bush Upright Vacuum Cleaner. To use the vacuum, unwrap the cord and plug it into the main socket. Set the floor head to your required height, depending on the type of flooring you are vacuuming. Use your foot to turn the vacuum on with the red button. Press the button again to turn it off. Step on the cleaner release button to lower the handle into position for vacuuming. Push the vacuum handle fully forwards to lock the vacuum upright. The vacuum includes 3 attachments: a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas, an upholstery tool for furniture, and a brush tool to remove dust on surfaces and household objects like picture frames. To use the attachments, pull up on the hose connection to remove it from the hose inlet. Next, push the end of the hose into the top handle and twist clockwise until it locks into place. Press the handle release latch and pull the handle out. Next, select Long Pile on the floor head. You can now attach the accessories by pushing them firmly onto the end of the handle. Alternatively, you can attach the accessories straight onto the hose. To use the floor head, remove the accessories and slot the handle back in place. Then, twist the end of the hose anti-clockwise and pull up on the hose connection. Then push the hose into the hose inlet. To empty the container, press the release button and pull the container away from the vacuum body. Press the lever on the dust container to empty it. Push the lid back into position until it clicks. Finally, slot the dust container back on the vacuum body. The dust container will click when correctly in position. Your vacuum is now ready to use.